Now let's talk about our secondary market structure today, and that's going to be Fibonacci. Now let's see what we're going to do with our Fibonacci. Okay, what's the trend? The trend is down. We made a double top here. We made that's not really a lower bottom. That's kind of tricky because it didn't close below this bar. So we have a double top and a double bottom here. But coming down from here, our trend, the major 1 hour trend is down at the moment. So, and yesterday's trend ended down. Even though we ended up from here, the trend is down. So what we want to do is draw our Fibonacci in the direction of the trend here, down to yesterday's high and yesterday's low. And we look at how our Fibonacci lines or levels match up with our daily range support and resistance levels. Now when we look at our Fibonacci retracement, we see that after our last down move from yesterday, we already retraced before the close of the day, and we retraced back up past the 61.8% level. We closed above it, and then we came back and closed back below it, and that could should be expected, because when I look here I see that we have a pivot here, bull pivot, 1, 2, and we did not close beyond 3 bar. We have our pivot here, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 bar support and resistance here, and we need to close above it, and we did not, and we had a reversal, but we came back down through 61.8%. But when you have a retracement that's 61.8% or higher, then on the way back down, you can expect that price will not break below 23.6%. I would expect 23.6% to hold, but that's just a projection. That's not a trade. Okay, this is just something that I'm letting you know how I'm looking at the market right now. So we closed above 61.8, and then we closed back down, and we're bouncing back up off 38.2. Okay, right here we see yesterday's close is just above 61.8%. Okay, so that's a convergence. That's our nearest convergence between our daily range support and resistance levels and our Fibonacci levels. So this is going to be a key level here. If we close above this yesterday's close, I'm looking for a nice little pop up here to at least test yesterday's high here at our 100% Fibonacci level. So just looking at what we have so far, if we get a close at the end of this hour up here above 50% Fibonacci and above this down bar here, we have a close above 50% Fibonacci on a reversal bar, a bullish reversal bar. So that would be bullish. So if we get that close above here, then I'd be looking to enter at this footstep here at 50% Fibonacci, and I will be placing my stop below 38.2% Fibonacci. But it's 11:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and as of right now, as I'm looking at the market, I'm anticipating if we get this close here, then even though Our daily range has our support here where we would truly prefer to buy, but this reversal bar is intriguing, and especially uh, in a bullish mode, because if we get up and do get above the close, we're looking at a potential inverse head and shoulders. We're looking at a potential reverse man on the chart. This is the left shoulder, and this would be the right shoulder, and this is the neckline. So above here, above yesterday's close, we may be ready to take off. So I would be looking to buy on a pullback somewhere in here around 50% Fibonacci, and maybe even 38.2% Fibonacci. But we look right now, and things could change, and from next hour to the next hour, and depending on what news is coming out. News changes everything. News trumps everything. But I'm running out of time, and I want to get you just to look at how we want to set up to begin analysis. Before the market moves too far, I want you to get it while you can still do something with it. But I'll give you more tomorrow, and we'll continue more along these lines. Just giving you some idea of the type of things that we learn in LCM. It's just fantastic. I just can't say enough about it.